Abigail Carter, and my piece is Woman Abused.
Him love me, him love me not. Him love me, him love me not. Him love me, him love me, him love me. But if him love me, why you might hurt me?
I am trying to tell women that it's not every man that you can go with that would be peaceful, great, and like passionate to you and will take care of you. It's not every man is like that. And I want to spread awareness of domestic violence against women.
Woman looking at the mirror by yourself, no say your eye them black and now them blue. Woman looking at the mirror by yourself, the mama say pellet them in a two.
When children see these things, they're very traumatized by it.
Him choke all ya, him box ya down, him kick ya, tell ya bad word. Woman you been battered, woman you been abused. You can't stay at the boat, you confused. Inna yourself, you make another excuse.
The message is that just love yourself, be confident, don't shy down to the things that you really want to do. Because if you do, everyone would think that you're not good enough. You know that you are good enough, but people would think that you're not. But in yourself, you know that you can do it and you can achieve.
Woman looking at the mirror by yourself, the mama shop your mental health. Woman you depressed, so much sadness. Woman you need love, woman you need shelter. You need to rise up your life can be better. You need to rise up your life can be better.
Performing makes me open up. I used to be a closed book, but now from I perform, I'm a more open book and everybody knows everything about me. I like to dance and I like to read and I like to write as well. In Child's Month, I want people to let the children feel more embraced and more confident about their self and how they look and how they may express.